Hey there, I'm going to show you how to transform your skincare routine with a luxurious emulsified body scrub that will leave your skin feeling smooth and nourished. The best part, you can make this right in the comfort of your home. Hello and welcome to my channel. The first ingredient you're going to need is shea butter. I'm using a refined shea butter. You can use the unrefined one if that's what you have. Shea butter offers numerous benefits for the skin due to its rich composition of vitamins and fatty acids. It moisturizes and hydrates the skin. It is also an anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, which helps to soothe and hydrate and also balance the skin. The next ingredient is cocoa butter. If you don't have cocoa butter, you can also use shea butter or mango butter. Cocoa butter has this deep moisturization property and it is also rich in antioxidants. It has skin healing and improves the skin elasticity. And it also contains anti-inflammatory properties. By the way, the exact measurements will be shared at the end of the video, so do not worry about that. I will give you everything in details. The next ingredient is oil. You can use almond oil or even olive oil. We all know these oils moisturize your body and it also improves the elasticity of the skin. The next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a popular natural ingredient in skincare due to its numerous benefits. It offers deep moisturization. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is rich in anti-inflammatory effect and also rich in antioxidants. The next ingredient you're going to need is BTMS50. This is a mild conditioning emulsifier that is often used in skincare and hair care products. When using a product, it allows the product to glide through your skin and makes your skin feel soft, smooth, and moisturized after the exfoliation. The next ingredient is stearic acid. Stearic acid is a saturated fatty acid commonly derived from animal fats and plant oil. This is an emulsifying agent that helps your formulation. It thickens it and it also gives the body scrub a rich and creamy texture, and this makes it easier for you to apply and spread on the skin. So I'm going to add my emulsifiers and my oils, everything together in this jar, and I'm going to melt it. The next ingredient is vitamin E oil. We all know vitamin E oil is highly valued in skincare for its numerous benefits. It is a very powerful antioxidant that moisturizes and hydrates the skin. It promotes healing, it reduces inflammation, prevents and reduces stretch marks, etc. I think a clip got mixed up. After the vitamin E oil, I'm also going to use preservative and also essential oil before moving on to this colorant. Now, this is a optional choice. It's very optional. If you don't want to use any color, it's fine. I just added color just to spice things up and to give it that watermelon kind of color. So I'm going to be using 2 grams of mica powder. Mica powder doesn't really have effect on the skin. It just gives your scrub, your lotions, your makeup the color and the glam, the shimmer and the glow, everything. And it also makes your product have smooth texture. If you don't have the mica powder, you can use any food coloring just to give it a little bit of color. Now, after melting the oils and the emulsifiers, I just put them in the fridge to stay for a little while so that it can have this kind of thick, not too thick consistency, and I began to whip. This part is quite self-explanatory. After doing this, I added in the mica powder and I mixed it well. Okay, let me just use this period to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Z. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by, and thanks if you've been watching my videos already. I make skincare and hair care videos like this. You can check out my page if you enjoy what you see. If you like it, why not? Subscribe and join the family. We all learn here. We learn how to formulate with natural products or natural ingredients, and also skincare formulation, hair care formulation for beginners. Okay, so if that's what you're into or that's what you want to go into, just click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. So I added in the sugar and I mixed. Like I said, it is very, very self-explanatory. I mixed in the sugar and make sure you mix it well. Now we have all our ingredients put together. We have the preservative in it, vitamin E oil, essential oil. You can use any essential oil of choice. If you have the tea tree oil, it has lots of benefits to the body. You can use that one as well. So this is the finished look, even though the lighting, kind of tampered with the color here, but it's fine. This is the measurement I promised to share. Also, if you want to learn how to make this lemon soap bar, you can just check the last video on my channel or click the video on the screen.